So next topic is web services. Web services. In web services, first topic is chat. Chatting. What do you mean by chatting? The online textual talking is called chatting. So there are several chatting softwares are available in internet. So nowadays we are also using chatting. Online textual talk is called chatting. So what do you mean by chat room? There is a next important topic, chat room. Chat room means you can create your own rooms like WhatsApp groups, or in simple example in PUBG or any other Free Fire games, you are creating your own rooms and you can play like that. Here you can create your own chat rooms and chat together. That is called chat rooms. So in your textbook you need to study about the different, mainly four types of commonly used types of chat: instant message, ICQ, internet relay chat, then web based chat. So you can study one by one. First one is called instant message. So instant message only allows text. There is no voice, nothing is there, only text. It is allows only text. It is called instant message. Example, AOL. Better example is AOL software. So in internet there are too many instant message softwares are available. So download that, you can chat textual only text. Then ICQ. So it is called ICQ. So it is used as a conferencing tool. What do you mean by conferencing? Conferencing tool means more than one can attend at a same time. That is called, it is used as a conferencing tool. So here the main thing of you need to study about ICQ means, for downloading ICQ, so you are become the member of ICQ, so you have a unique number, ICQ number. So that is unique means no two person have the ICQ number same. So you can create your own names like nicknames in ICQ, that may be same, but ICQ number is unique. So by using this ICQ number only identify the persons in ICQ chat. So next one is called internet relay chat. The main feature of this internet relay chat is it is not owned by any person, which means that it is completely freely. So for that you need to download then IRC client and IRC server software. So the sending and receiving mails or the chat between IRC server and IRC client. So it is not owned by any company. This is the main feature of IRC. It is freely available on internet. So we need to download IRC client and IRC server. Last one is called a web based chat. So that is different from IRC. IRC means internet relay chat. You can just move to internet and you can start on simply chatting. But web based chatting means you should download a particular applications. So it is a difference. You should download a particular application from internet, then by using that with the connection of internet only you can chat. Okay, so that is the difference between IRC and web chat. So only four types: instant message, only text allow, better example AOL. ICQ, it is used as a conferencing tool and sending the emails and gaming also. For ICQ there should be a unique number for identify the users. Next one IRC, internet relay chat. So there is IRC client and IRC server is there. Last one web based chat, it is different from IRC. You should download the corresponding software from the internet. Then one more thing, IRC is not owned by any company. IRC is not owned by any company. So these are the main features you need to study about chat. So first web service only completed chat, online textual talk, then chat rooms you study, then four different types of commonly used chat. Okay.